Now I'm going to continue with the 6th B program, where you need to apply hierarchical clustering for the data set considered as seeds less rows.csv. So in this, you are going to extract the cluster labels in hierarchical clustering. As we all know, you have to import the necessary package. So here importing the necessary package called pandas. Then we have to load the data set, which is considered here as seeds less rows.csv. In this, there are wide variety of wheat seeds are available. In this, these wheat seeds which are available here, that has to be pop up using the seeds underscore data frame dot pop using the grain variety. This is a one of the column to be considered here. Whatever the values you are going to get from the seeds underscore df dot pop, that you are going to consider in the samples, because we need all those data points if we are going to apply agglomerative techniques. Here we are not implementing the hierarchical clustering from the scratch. We are just implementing using the necessary packages like linkage and dendrogram. Again, one more package we are importing here, that is matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Then we have to do merging. How we are going to do merging here? You can use either complete or you can use single, but we are considered here as complete as a method along with the samples. So these are the two parameters considered to link, and then it has to be merging. So the samples what we considered here are data points. They are going to merge based on the complete criteria. So the complete criteria here, what we consider as complete, this is considered to be hyperparameter. Next, the merging is considered as one of the parameter in the dendrogram. Labels, that is different varieties are assigned to labels, and leaf rotation is set to 90 degree and leaf font size is set to 6. So the leaf rotation is considered here is 90 degree. If you want, you can change it to 60 degree. Then little slant in the dendrogram, you are going to get the display here. Little slant will be there. So the main aim of the program is to what? We have to extract the cluster labels. So we are going to use here f cluster. This is a function where we are going to import it from the package called scipy.cluster.hierarchy. Next, depending upon the parameters which is used here, such as mergings, criterion, distance, we are going to assign these values into the labels. Then you have to create a data frame called df with two column name values such as labels and varieties. Next, you have to create again a cross tabulation called CT that is used between the data frame labels and the data frame of varieties, just to have a count how many number of times each grain variety coincides with each cluster label. So the cross tabulation here is assigned with these two parameters, that is labels and varieties. Now the cross tabulation is going to be displayed here, where it contains the varieties labeled as 1, 2, 3 and 3 varieties, that is Canadian wheat, Kama wheat and Rosa wheat. In this, the Kama wheat, which is under the labeling 1, this is considered to be misclassified here. How it is considered as misclassified? See this dendrogram here. What is exactly a dendrogram then? Dendrogram means it is a diagram representing a tree like structure where it performs the hierarchical clustering on data and represents the resulting tree. So in this, 3 varieties are labeled in 3 different colors with 3 labelings done. One is in green in color, red in color and blue in color. The green in color which depicts the Canadian wheat, and red in color depicts the Rosa wheat, and blue in color depicts the Kama wheat. See, in this green in color dendrogram, where you can find 3 misclassified data points are present, along with this Canadian wheat, 3 Kama wheat is present. So these 3 data points are considered to be misclassified data points. So come back to the cross tabulation. See, in the Kama wheat second label, Rosa wheat 14 is the correctly classified data points, whereas in the label 3, Kama wheat contains 11 correctly classified data points. So from this cross tabulation, the conclusion drawn here is how many data points are correctly classified among Canadian wheat, Kama wheat and Rosa wheat. And also you need to know 3 varieties have been extracted from the data sets using the hierarchical clustering method agglutinative or AGNES. Hope you all understood, students.